Right now, we're promoting Smart C. Sobrang honored ako for them to trust me with their brand. And ako naman din, I believe in their brand. It promotes a healthy lifestyle. So vitamins, and it's in one refreshing drink. So it's a good product.
Oh, anong bago?
Anong bago sa akin? A Beautiful Affair with John Lloyd and Bea. It's my first ever teleserye. It's been a long time waiting, pero I'm sure it's worth the wait. Sobrang masaya ako, sobrang thankful ako kanila Direk Loren na sinama nila ako sa ganito kalaki na project. Siyempre, it's John Lloyd and Bea.
Anong role mo?
My role, pinsan ako ni Bea. So, palagi ko siya ka-eksena. Nung una palagi akong, nasistress kasi nahihiya ako sa kanya pag nagkamali ako. Pero sobrang bait niya, sobrang supportive. So, ngayon, mas nagiging komportable ako pag naka-eksena ko siya.
Gaano ka-active ngayon?
Active?
Yeah.
Lifestyle?
Yeah, lifestyle.
Lifestyle, I work out a lot. I work out almost like five times a week. Kasi gusto ko mag-gain ng konting weight. To bulk up ulit. Other than that, eat healthy, take in good nutrients, take in good vitamins.
Okay. So ano yung daily routine mo na ngayon?
Daily routine ko? Pagising ko sa umaga, if I have time, diretso gym. Para wala nang iisipin after. Then work. Then kung may oras pa, pero usually wala nang oras pag may trabaho, yun na yun. Kung free day naman, diretso sa workout pa rin. And then go out with mga kaibigan. And if mas malaki yung rest day, just go back to Cebu. Pahinga, kasama yung family, which is a good thing.
Okay. Promote ko naman si Smart C.
Yes. Smart C is a drink na isang bote lang, 500 milligrams na vitamin C. And masarap siya. Gusto ko siya actually kasi hindi siya ganyan matamis. So it's just right, it's refreshing. I have it with my meals sa bahay or pag dumadaan ako ng mga convenience stores kung minsan I just grab one and alis na. And parang nakaka-boost siya ng energy mo, especially knowing na you're doing something good to your body. And drinking Smart C, drinking vitamin C. So,
Thank you, Slater.
thank you, Jerman.